Hi everyone, and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create eye-catching animations and interactive effects right inside Wix Studio. Whether you're designing a portfolio, an online store, or just want your website to pop, learning how to animate your vector images will absolutely take your pages to the next level. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add subtle, stylish movements that invite people to explore your site and make your images feel alive. So, let's jump in and walk through the steps together. Now, as you'll see, Wix Studio offers a whole suite of animation options, and while we won't demo every single one in this session, they're just too many, I'll make sure you get a solid grasp of the basics. That way, you'll feel confident experimenting and really bringing your creative ideas to life. First up, take a look at your canvas. Let's say you have a vector image that you want to animate. Go ahead and click on that first vector. This opens up a world of possibilities. Navigate to Animations and Effects. Here's the key. You'll notice several triggers for your animation. For this one, we're going to set it to respond when someone hovers over the image. So, select Hover as your trigger, click Add, and then, from the many animation choices, pick Rotate. This effect is fantastic for adding a bit of playful motion. When someone glides their mouse over your vector, it will gently spin, instantly grabbing attention. Rotation effects are subtle but effective. They can make static images appear dynamic, almost as if they're inviting the viewer to interact. Take a moment to preview it and adjust the speed or direction if you want. Sometimes, slower rotations feel more polished and professional, while quicker spins can add a touch of fun. Moving on, let's set up a different animation for your second vector. Click on the second vector, which might have a different shape or design element. Again, find the Animation and Effects menu. This time, instead of using a hover, let's try triggering the animation with a click. So select Click, then hit Add. For this one, choose Shrink as your effect. Shrink animations are wonderful if you want to give feedback when someone clicks. Think of it like a button that compresses just a little, letting users know their action is being recognized. Don't worry if you're not sure which effect will work best. Wix lets you preview the shrink motion before you finalize it. Make small adjustments to the duration or easing if you want to make the animation even smoother. Now, for your third image, maybe it's a photo, maybe another vector. The process is similar, but with a slight twist. Select the image, go back to Animations and Effect, and this time add a hover animation. From the list, pick Appear. The Appear animation is perfect for creating an element of surprise or storytelling. When someone hovers over this image, it gently fades in or pops onto the scene, as if revealing something new to your visitors. It's a great choice if you want your site to feel interactive and not just static. If you have text or details behind the image, this effect can really help them stand out right at the right moment. And honestly, that's the foundation for adding animations and interactions with Wix Studio. Each step builds upon the last, and what's great is that you're not locked in. You can always combine effects, tweak timings, and experiment with triggers to get just the look and feel you want. Don't worry if things don't look perfect right away. Part of the process is trial and error, and the preview feature makes it easy to see changes in real time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you run into any questions about animation settings or want tips on more advanced effects, just drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.